thousands and then layer on 13, no, in your Prisma flow. You have to discuss very well, and then in your discussion, based on the 13 nga nahabilin, no, you had a very good presentations. Imo man inyong githematize, no, gikan sa motivation padung sa challenges. So um what do you think are the implications of these challenges? So include it there. And then for your conclusion, medyo taas-taas ang atong conclusion. So you can compress this and go directly, because some of this can be transferred in your discussions. Usually, shorter na yun. And then in your recommendations, inyo siyang i-categorize, no? Na amoy recommendations nga general, na apod siya for English language teacher, for school administrators, curriculum planners, and future research. So, this is a very good thing, but maybe for publication, basin og taas ra kaayo na. So, you can congest these recommendations nga based ra gyud siya sa gap sa finding. Unsay gap sa first finding, mo na i-recommend. Second, third, fourth. Ana lang siya. Simple. Congratulations, Group 2. For Group 3, nindot sa bitaw yun, no, silence, no?